Alright, Fast Cart here. Today we got on the workbench, we got the deadbolt. And today we're going to start with the lights and some accessories. A few things I got from Shapeways is this grill here. And we also got some light buckets we're going to be installing. Okay guys, we started painting the grill with our tester's paint. And then all I did is I took a body reamer, and the grill fits perfect over this. So I went ahead and reamed out in the middle of these lights, and then I put my green halos in there. And then next, we're going to cut out the middle of the grill. I'm going to leave this outside because there'll be just a little bit left when the grill's put on, but I'm going to cut the middle out, and I'm going to paint behind here. Next step, we took off the middle sticker there, and then I went ahead and painted silver behind it to make it look like a big radiator. After we got them painted is cut a hole in the Lexan and put the back piece on with a screw. Next thing we're going to do is put the lights into it. Okay, we got the rear ones hooked up. I'm going to have to address a little bit of light coming through the sides. We got the top ones hooked up. I wired that and heat shrinked it all the way down and come down on the side of the body there. I did have the lenses over these, but when we went trailing they came off too easy, so we're just going to leave them off for now. There's the total overall look. And one more thing I did off camera is I put on some new rims. These are Boom Racing. If you can see the little skulls in them, which I think is really going to bring out the truck. So we'll address the lighting in the back so it's not coming through the sides.